What are the diagnosis and treatment for bird flu? Diagnosis include laboratory tests. Sample of fluid from your nose or throat can be tested for evidence of bird flu virus. These sample must be taken within few days after a symptom appear. Imaging test. X-ray may be useful in assessing the condition of your lungs, which can help determine the proper diagnosis and best treatment option for your sign and symptom. What are the treatment options? Many influenza viruses have been resistant to the effect of a category of antiviral drugs that include amantadine and rimantadine. Health officials recommended the use of acetylmervine and oseltamivir can be used, and the zinamivir relenza. These drugs must be taken within 2 days after the appearance of the symptom. Preparing for your appointment with your doctor is very necessary. If you suspect that you have bird flu, you will need to see your primary care doctor. Let people know you may have the bird flu and ask for a surgical mask to wear during your visit. If you are very ill, you may need to be hospitalized. What you can do? Symptom history. Write down any symptom you have been experiencing and for how long. Recent exposure to possible sources of infection. Be sure to describe any international trip, especially to the areas where bird flu is present, for example, Southeast Asia and Arabic countries. Medical history. Make a list of your key medical information, including other conditions for which you are being treated and any medication, vitamins, or supplement you are currently taking. Question to ask your doctor. Write down your question in advance so that you can make the most of your time with your doctor. For bird flu, some basic questions to ask your doctor include: what the most likely causes of my symptom? Will I need any tests? What's the best treatment approach? Are there any alternatives? Will I need to take medication? What can I do at home to help ease my symptom? What to expect from your doctor? Your doctor will need to know certain details about your illness to make a diagnosis. Be prepared to answer the questions such as: when did you start feeling ill? Have you had a fever? If so, how high it has gotten? Have you had any close contact with bird recently? Have you traveled abroad recently? If so, where did you go?